Hello everyone. This is the video we promised to send to crypto wealth creation platform. In this video, you are going to see how you can easily generate 100 to 200k or even more on a daily. All right. Now, the platform we are looking at performs the function of tracking the prices of cryptocurrencies across different crypto exchanges. Exchanges are platforms where you can buy, sell, and trade crypto. All right. Now, it shows you where to buy low and where to sell high. Let's make use of the bureau for some analysis. Now, look at the pair we are going to buy from the market. It's called LSD7 stroke USDT. And see where we're going to buy from. We are going to buy from a crypto platform or an exchange that is called Bitgate. And then we're going to buy it at this amount, 0.0041. All right, dollar. That is to say that this price is less than 1 cent. All right. And then we're going to bring it to this other crypto exchange called gates.io. You can see sell on gates.io. Look at the amount we are going to sell it. We're going to sell it at the price of 0.00421. You can see clearly that the price here is higher than the one here. The difference, the percentage difference is not much. All right. But when accumulated, it produces amazing results. Okay, so very quickly, I'm going to just end this video here because the video recording that I'm using does not allow a long video recording. So what you need to do is to, after watching this one, you go ahead and watch the second video that will come after this. Stay tuned.